computers are what give the internet its power. They surround us, they empower us, they bind the network together.
Help me, Obi-Windows. You're my only hope.
Hello there. Come here, my little friend. Don't be afraid. I am Master Obi-Windows, and I am here to train you in the vast universe of computers and the internet. I've received many letters from viewers asking me how to use a computer, how to perform tasks on websites, and what technical terms mean in simple language. Let's proceed with our next letter, shall we? GTB Films asks, "Thank you, Obi-Windows. I noticed Mozilla Firefox is not under F, but M. Adobe PageMaker is under A, etc. Do you know of any way to predict whether a particular program is listed under the program's name or the manufacturing company's name? It seems entirely random." Dear GTB Films, thank you very much for the question. Alas, in short, there is no simple answer to this issue. It would seem the profile of applications installed into Windows 11 can deposit a folder either with the structure of publisher/program title or publisher.program title, and the indexer of Windows will list applications by the first name in that string. For example, you bring up the topic of Firefox. It is known that the profile folder of Firefox is created here in C, Users, Username, App Data, Roaming, Mozilla, Firefox, Profiles, character string 1 dot profile name. Whereas the cache folder for Firefox is located here. C, Users, Username, App Data, Local, Packages, Mozilla dot Firefox underscore, character string, local cache, local, Mozilla Firefox, profiles, character string 1 dot profile name, cache 2/entries. Notice how after app data in the first example, we see roaming and then Mozilla and then Firefox. Well, in the second example, after app data, we see local and then packages, but instead of Mozilla and then Firefox, we actually have Microsoft dot Firefox. This is very likely the culprit. Some programs are annotated as publisher name and then program name in separate folders, but others are in a way hyphenated to publisher dot program name, and the start menu is very likely using the first in that string as its indicator as to where to create the icon location. One could say these icon decisions by Windows 11 end up in a tie. I did find some forum posts that mentioned locations on the C drive where one might be able to customize one's icon locations. C uses username app data roaming. C uses username app data local Microsoft Windows apps. And C program data Microsoft Windows start menu programs. I had thought creating folders in those locations would have it reflected in the all apps list, but alas, my experiments were unsuccessful, and most conversations online indicate this is a very hit or miss resolution. If it helps at all, there is a folder in several versions of Windows 11 called Your Windows 10 Apps. where the operating system has conveniently placed the icons of older programs, and those are capable of being dragged about to move some items above others. Not a very elegant solution, but it may help in this case. I do hope that helps you, GTB Films, with your very reasonable question. One would think Microsoft would allow a little leeway, or at the very least logic, in where their program icons appear. Perhaps they feel it is obvious from a certain point of view. As for the rest of you, surf the web carefully, my friends. Your destination lies along a different path from mine. Farewell.